What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and just wanted to do a quick update on my 2,000 sub giveaway. First off, thank you guys for all the support. Many of you have done shout outs for me and been definitely feeling the love from all that, so I greatly appreciate it. But two individuals have stepped up and want to contribute to this giveaway and to help increase the support for me, and I greatly appreciate that. And I'd also appreciate if you could go check them out and subscribe to their channel. So the two guys that have decided to join in is T Sawyer. He just posted his video of what he's going to be contributing. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Go check him out, subscribe, show him some love if you aren't already. And he's going to contribute a 511 Mora with the orange handle, so if you drop it you can still see it, as well as a Gerber folding saw. Great addition to this kit. And then the other person contributing is Kevin Outdoors 1978. He posted what he wanted to contribute in his last video of winter camping in the hot tent. I'm going to put his link down below as well, but he's going to be contributing a hand forged axe. Guys, you're blowing me away with all the support. It's just so awesome that you two want to join in and to help my channel grow, and anything I can do to help you guys out as well, I greatly appreciate that. So for those of you that did not see my original giveaway video, I'm going to show you what I'm contributing, but if you want in on it, you have to go to the original epic giveaway video and comment down below, and you have to be subscribed. So just going over what I have is a flint and steel kit with a beeswax candle and a bag of char cloth in a tin. The survival playing cards, just brushing up on some info. A bag of tinder. Now this has birch bark, it has cedar, it has poplar. Sorry, that was my son. Cedar, poplar, birch bark, and some Surefire, all inside of this kit. Also throwing in the Pax Stove from Uberleben. This is a heavy duty waxed canvas that it all comes in, and I've used it twice. So it definitely is used, but it is a great stainless steel Pax Stove. Awesome product, high quality. Anything from Uberleben, great product. I made a couple things that I'm going to throw in. Now these things that I've made, I've had for a few years and I've personally used. So they are used, but they're handmade by me. So one is a blanket pin. And again, I show all of this in the other video. One is a blanket pin, hand forged, a S-hook, and true pine pitch. I explain all that and the uses of this in the previous video, so you need to go check it out, as well as really check out T Sawyer, as well as Kevin Outdoors 1978. Again, links will be in the description box below. Have a couple stickers, and the last item I had was a old timer Copperhead series. Oh, I had more, I forgot. Old timer Copperhead series Skinner with a gut hook, brand new, never used. Have the ferro rod with the magnesium block, a emergency survival bracelet with the whistle, compass, ferro rod, all inside there, and a necklace from Uberleben with a 1-inch ferro rod attached to that. Right, so that is everything that I was contributing to this giveaway to try to get the push to 2,000 subscribers, but I also show and give all of you some support that have been following and helping me get into this point. What I was thinking with everything that I have contributed to the giveaway, and then what Ron and Kevin have so graciously provided to help me as well, I thought kind of we're missing one thing. and that seems to be a container. So what I did is I went through some stuff that I had, and I have a brand new U.S. military issue canteen pouch and the canteen cup. Has not been used. I kind of keep stuff back. I'm going to start doing classes, and I keep stuff back to do as like prizes or giveaways or whatever, things like that for our students that come to class. But I felt like this would be a great item to add to this kit. So a 1 quart canteen cup, nests inside, and the pouch that it all goes into. This is the winter pouch. It does help with insulating, so if you put something cold in here, it's going to stay cold a little longer. If you put something warm in there, it'll stay warm a little longer, but I don't recommend putting anything warm in the plastic bottle. And then it has the belt clips from more the Vietnam era LBV, or LVB, LBV, sorry, load bearing vest. I said it properly the first time. Anyway, more information than you cared to know, but I was going to contribute this in with the other items that I have give. So with what Ron's given, with what Kevin's given, all the kit that I'm supplying as well, the only thing you're really going to be missing is a shelter and a blanket. All right, so I feel like this is an awesome giveaway, something I would have personally loved to have won, especially if I was just starting out, or maybe I got a budget for my bushcraft kit. These are some great items that would be at home at anybody's kit. It's perfect kit. I just find things that I use and that I prefer, and I keep those things and I use them consistently. So anyway, everything I'm contributing, adding the canteen cup and pouch, Ron's adding more a knife and saw, and Kevin adding the hand forged axe. So go check out both of those guys' channels, show them some love, show them some support, just like they have supported me. And go check out the previous video I did on the giveaway, and if you're not in on it, get in on it now. I'm trying to hit that 2,000 sub mark. Could really appreciate all your guys' support. If you can share this or the previous video of the actual giveaway, so that I can kind of grow my channel, and also gives me more opportunity to show support for more of you guys that have been supporting me. Helps me to get these sponsors or these items given to me for product reviews, so that I can in turn give them back to the community. Thank you guys for all your love. As Scab always says, 22 veterans a day. You know, show your veterans some support. And I'm not just saying that because I am a veteran. You know, it's very important to be there for our veterans. For me, it's my brothers. And there is a great veteran community within this bushcraft community. I find it seems that a lot of veterans like to get outdoors. Go figure, right? With all that being said, Expeditionary Johnny, right? He just recently was nominated for the Sparks of Hope, but he's also doing a 22 push-up a day challenge. I just wanted to give him a side shout out. All right, he was prior service military. I believe he was Air Force, and you know, go show him some support too. All these guys, great guys. I'm gonna put links to every one of them down below, as well as my original giveaway video. Thank you all for your support. God bless.